Hello YouTube, welcome to another video. Well, today we're looking at this. It's a MOKI, or MOKI however you say it, Basspop. So at the moment I'd say this is probably your cheapest option for Bluetooth speakers because it's $9.99 at Woolworths. So I looked at it and thought, well, I'm not going to pay 30 bucks for it, but I'll pay 10 bucks for it. Alright, let's open this thing up. Got 3.5 cable, headphone jack. Got the speaker itself, looks alright. Got anything else? Oh, there's a manual. The user guide, how to use it. I mean, if you've used any Bluetooth speaker, it's pretty much the same thing. What about specs? Does it have any specs? Alright, so it says it's 2 watt, 20 hertz. Yeah, I don't think so. To 15 kilohertz. Yeah, I can believe that. And a 30mm bass driver. Does it say bass driver? Yeah. Don't open or insert anything. Oof. Well, we're probably going to open it. So, yeah, it's got this. I guess it goes around your arm. There are your controls on the back. Disclaimer. This is where the screws are under. 3.5mm port on one side and a micro USB charger. So on the front we've got, this is the main driver and this is a passive radiator. So this can just be moved up and down like so. That's not a real speaker. And that's it on that. So to turn it on, you just press and hold this button. You press and hold this button. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Anyway, to connect it to Bluetooth is pretty easy. You just go into Bluetooth settings on your phone and you connect it up. It's simple, easy, doesn't take very long to do. You just look for Basspop. Anyway, that's the unboxing out the way. Not much fanciness there. I think we need to do a sound test. I'm going to use the normal song as always. You guys know what it is. I'll reposition this like that. And we'll go. We'll do it. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Here we go, sound test. Same song as always, Scarlet Fire by Otis McDonald. I'd say that 15 kilohertz cutoff is pretty accurate. Well, there we go. That's the sound test done. How about we have a look inside this thing? Because I know people want to see. Anyway, that's next. Alright, so here we go. We're going to open it up. I'm going to guess we have to pull these little buggers out. I'll try not to lose them. There's one. Yeah, we got little screws down there. The other one's out. Get rid of this stupid thing. This thing is definitely in my way. I don't want it on there anyway. Nah, we'll figure that out at a later point. Alright, there we go. So now we're just going to get in there with a screwdriver. One screw. Yeah, they're pretty good, decent sized screws. Yeah. It's not heavy or anything. It's not expensive either. Right now they're only $10, and for the sound I just got out of it, yeah, I'd definitely say it's the best sounding $10 Bluetooth speaker I've heard. I mean, I haven't been on those like Wish sites or anything yet, but that will be next. Alright, let's see if we can just crack this open. There we go. Okay. So we have a sealed section around here. I'll take that out. Doesn't look, it's not greatly sealed. Some sealing would probably do pretty good in this. So take out this little sealed section here, like that. So here we have the passive radiator. So it's not, as I said before, it's not a real speaker. Now we'll take out this driver. Looks pretty well sealed in actually. We can disconnect this. Yep. And out comes the driver. Here we go. Da 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 da. It's quite good looking actually. It's nicely built. Quite impressed. Alright, now we just have this horrible grill, which I'm going to probably remove because I don't like it. Passive radiator is sealed in there quite nicely. Alright, now we're going to have a look at this board. Okay. So, this, what have we got? That is your amplifier chip. That is your Bluetooth control and everything like that. That's your antenna going straight into here. So you see, this is your Bluetooth antenna here. And if you follow the trace into the resistor and straight into this chip. So this chip handles pretty much everything. So buttons, controls, microphone, pretty much handles everything for this thing. So this is your amplifier chip. Now I've already looked this up, and yes, it is a 2-watt chip at I think it was 4 ohms. Yep, and it does I think 5 watt at 2 ohms. So I don't know why they didn't just use a 2 ohm driver. That would have made me all happy inside. But nah, it's good enough. Underneath here we have a lithium ion battery. Should have a look at that too, I think. See, this is what you don't get on other channels. A proper teardown. That's why you watch my videos. Yeah. Alrighty, that's all the screws out. It should just, yep, there we go. So we have a 430 milliamp battery. Alright, that's not too bad. 1.59 watt hours, 3.7 volt. Made in 2016. Alright, so here we go. We got more sealy stuff and it pushes against this board. So yeah, it's not too bad. Nice thick wires from the battery for the controller. Anyway, that's a teardown of the MOKI Basspop. What a stupid name. Well, thanks for watching.